अनेक्शर बताइए, पेज से कुछ नहीं होगा।
Lordship, it is there.
या तो कंप्यूटर से बहस करिए, कंप्यूटर के पेज नंबर बताते जाइए।
Lordship,
आप लोग क्या टेक्नोलॉजी से इतने ज्यादा डाइवोर्स्ड हैं?
but
अरे ऐसा ही लगता है, इतने महीने होगा आप आज तक टेक्नोलॉजी का यूज नहीं सीख पाए।
I will try, Lord.
क्या इसके लिए भी आर्मी लगेगी क्या, टेक्नोलॉजी सिखाने के
उसके
लिए?
लिए जरूरत नहीं है,
हैं?
आर्मी की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी सर। Lordship, may kindly come to page 19, that is annexure R1, Lordship.
R1.
Yes, it has been filed with my reply, wherein the
preliminary objection.
Yes, preliminary objection has been taken, Lordship.
R1. जी
Lordship, just may kindly appreciate the first clause A relief which has been sought therein.
जी
To direct the respondent number 4 and 5 to issue the movement order to the applicant to report to his unit in the interest of justice.
जी
Here in this petition, he has been challenging the attachment order. So the relief which has been sought before the tribunal, it is a consequential order. So the first,
नहीं नहीं नहीं, प्लीज जस्ट लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड फर्स्ट।
yes,
ठीक है,
he is seeking the movement order
हाँ
because he has already been attached because of the departmental proceeding has been initiated against
he has been
him.
attached to you RTU.
Yes,
वेयर इज, तो आप ब्रीफ करिए, आप पीछे से खड़े होकर मत बताइए।
Yes.
योर काउंसिल शुड बी प्रॉपर्ली ब्रीफ्ड। इफ योर काउंसिल इज नॉट प्रॉपर्ली ब्रीफ्ड देन आई विल नॉट हियर यू।
RTU will also be returned
काउंसिल
to
को पहले ब्रीफ करते हैं, नहीं करते हैं? कहाँ अटैचमेंट हुआ है इनका?
इन जबल
Jabalpur
आप-
itself.
आपसे नहीं पूछ रहे मैडम, वकील साहब को बताइए, नहीं तो यू रिमूव हिम, यू आर्ग्यू, आई विल परमिट यू टू आर्ग्यू एंड आई विल से दैट आपका शुभ नाम लिख के दैट यू हैव डिस्चार्ज योर काउंसिल, यू विल आर्ग्यू द मैटर, आई विल परमिट यू टू आर्ग्यू दिस मैटर, देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम। ऑफिसर इंचार्ज कैन ऑलवेज आर्ग्यू अ मैटर बट योर काउंसिल शुड बी प्रॉपर्ली ब्रीफ्ड। यहाँ ऐसा नहीं है कि उठ के आए और फाइल यहीं खोली और यहीं शुरू हो गए। Then I'll have to observe certain things about the conduct because that amounts to wastage of the court's time. Where is that order?
attachment order also.
I don't know. You're
Yes.
referring to clause A
It
of
is-
the relief sought.
It is there at page 15 in the original writ petition also.
Annexure
P1,
P1.
page 15.
You are Mr. Mukesh Shrivastava.
Yes, Lord.
हाँ.
The forwarding officer are hereby attached to the units mentioned against each for further disciplinary proceedings under the provision of Army Instructions 30/86 with immediate effect till finalization of the discharge case, disciplinary case pending against them.
जी 107 GL sector type B 12 Corps Southern Command to GRC headquarters Madhya Bharat area. जी
So he has been attached at Jabalpur itself, Lord.
एक second.
In MB area GRC also.
P1.
Now what is my
Just
respectful
a minute,
submission?
just a minute.
Yes. Now I'll also
Page
kindly
90.
appreciate the relief which has been sought before the tribunal.
Yes.
What he has been seeking in clause A, the relief,
जी.
to direct the respondent number 4 to 5 to issue movement order to the applicant to report to his unit in the interest of justice.
जी
So what he's been seeking that he should be sent back to the unit wherefrom he has been attached to at Jabalpur itself.
जी this petition was filed on which date?
Is in OA Lordship.
जी
Original application which has been filed before the
नहीं, ठीक है,
AFT.
this is dated 9/9/23.
Yes, Lordship. 99.
Way is 9/9/23.
Yes.
Now,
Now I'll also
where-
kindly appreciate.
just a minute, just a minute. Where is the reference to the order dated this 6th April 23? When did he join in pursuance to the order dated 6th April to 23? That is annexure P1.
Lordship, he joined.
विक्रम जी, आपकी तैयारी आजकल क्या है? पढ़ नहीं पाते क्या?
नहीं,
टाइम
नहीं,
नहीं
it's-
मिलता?
it's not that,
ज्यादा
Lordship,
केस हो गए हैं,
No, it's not that
तो फिर
Lordship.
पढ़ते क्यों नहीं है आप?
It's not that Lordship because that date of joining is not
अरे
been
भाई,
there because it has not been the
You
issue
should,
in
you
this
should have,
petition.
you should have been prepared. आपकी मैडम ने 2 बार टाइम लिया सिनॉप्सिस बनाने के लिए।
6/4/2023 Lordship.
6/4 को तो he was directed to be attached.
Yes.
Then he joined on the same date.
within a week's time he moved.
When did he moved? I'm asking you the date when he moved. Now you reply my queries. Your lawyer is not prepared. You answer it. then this attachment annexure P1 was for a particular purpose attached to units mentioned against each for further disciplinary proceedings under the provisions of Army Instructions 30/1986 with immediate effect till finalization of disciplinary case. When was the disciplinary case finalized?
Your Lordship, if I may submit a few things before you to appreciate the sequence of
जी
event
जी
properly.
बताइए.
Your
आप
Lordship,
बैठिए, विक्रम साहब आप बैठिए.
Yes, yes.
जी बैठ जाइए.
Your Lordship, in Army, when some disciplinary proceedings are ordered, that is done after a fact-finding investigation into the subject.
Right.
So whenever we get the knowledge that something has happened which may amount to an offense, we ordered something called a court of inquiry, which is akin to a police investigation, roughly, and it is a fact-finding body. After that investigation completes, that goes to the convening authority who gives a direction on after examining whether prima facie something has emerged during that investigation.
Right.
So in this particular case, I mean, I'll get to the particular case later. I'll just explain the sequence of event. So once that direction comes, it will say that so-and-so has been found blameworthy for this prima facie, and accordingly, disciplinary proceeding be initiated against him.
Right.
Now, once that happens, that disciplinary proceeding comes in various stages, Your Lordship.
Right.
So it starts with something called a hearing of charge, which is Army Rule 22, Your Lordship.
Army Rule 22.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Just a minute.
So, Your Lordship, Army Rule 22, it is at this stage, we have taken note of the court of inquiry, and we've given them certain preliminary, this is a pre-trial stage, basically. So, the commanding officer sees whatever prima facie evidence has come in the court of inquiry, and then if it is a case worthy of being tried by court martial at a later stage, then it is mandatory for the commanding officer to order reduction of the summary of evidence, which is the following rule, Your Lordship, Army Rule 23.
जी.
Now, Army Rule 23, when the summary of evidence is recorded in writing, then that summary of evidence is processed to the convening authority, who will examine that evidence and then come to the conclusion whether or not a case has to be tried by a court martial or not.
Right.
So I'll just read out, Your Lordship, Army Rule 23, if you may please see. Your Lordship, it says procedure for taking down summary of evidence, that where the case is adjourned for the purpose of having the evidence reduced to writing.
Waiting लिखा हुआ है.
Sir, वो typographical error
पर
probably.
भी कोर्ट मार्शल चलता है क्या? चलिए.
In writing, the adjourned hearing of evidence of the witness who were present and gave evidence before the commanding officer, whether against or for the accused, or any other persons whose evidence appears to be relevant, will be taken down in writing. Then, Your Lordship, if you could just come to, so it just lays down the procedure that we'll give a caution to the accused and so on and so forth. When this summary of evidence completes, then the following rules talks about remand of the accused for trial.
जी.
So what I'm trying to apprise to the court here today is that this stage has not even been reached. The particular petitioner
So is there any time limit to?
Yes, Your
to
Lordship, that is what, sir, Your Lordship, if I can walk you to Army Act Section 122.
Yes.
122 Army Act, that's on page 33 of the Bear Act. It says that except as provided by subsection 2, no trial by court martial of any person subject to this act for any offense shall be commenced after an expiration of period of 3 years. So what I'm trying to explain here is that from the starting date, that is once the direction of the convening authority has.
No,
Yes.
sorry. 122 says that the day on which an act of delinquency was committed, then the limitation will start from that date of commission of the delinquency, and then there are certain circumstances given, that is A, on the date of the offense,
Yes, Your
or
Lordship.
where the commission of the offense was brought to the knowledge of the authority on a particular date, then that will be the starting date.
Yes, Your
Now
Lordship.
you are required to point out
Yes,
as
Your
to
Lordship.
on which date his act of delinquency was brought to your
Ye-
notice.
Yes, Your Lordship. That's what I'm trying to explain, Your Lordship. In Army Rule 120, Army Act 122, in provision 1B, it talks about two situations. The first part of it is, my argument is that we are not affected by the first part of the clause B, which basically says where the commission of the offense was not known to the person aggrieved by the offense. What we are saying is that when, see, I have quoted one Supreme Court judgment, Your Lordship, in
We'll
the
come to that
synopsis.
later on.
Yes.
Judgment
So-
comes later on.
Of
First
course.
facts.
Okay, I will explain, sir.
Don't try to behave like a lawyer.
no, sir.
Judgment bombard कर दिया, facts का कोई पता ही नहीं है.
No, no, sir. I'll tell you the facts, sir.
जी.
So when the surprise check was done, then we did a
When
court
was
of
it done? When was it done?
Your Lordship, in the synopsis, if you may please see.
Where is the synopsis?
Your Lordship, I've filed a synopsis further to the direction. Your Lordship, the surprise check was done on 29/01/2020.
29/1.
01/2020.
Surprise check.
Yes, where we found that there was something amiss, based on which,
एक second.
yes.
Check was made. So that is the date of knowledge as per.
No, Your Lordship, no, I'll explain that, Your Lordship, I'll explain that, Your Lordship. So we figured that something is amiss, however, we neither know who all, how many people will be involved in that.
जी.
Accordingly, Your Lordship, we started the investigation on 21/08/2020.
जी. 20, when did you start the investigation?
The court of inquiry commenced on 21/08, serial number 4 of the synopsis, Your Lordship,
2020.
2020.
Court of inquiry initiated.
Yes, Your Lordship. That investigation got completed, Your Lordship, on 8/2/2023,
जी.
whereby the whole of court of inquiry proceedings were examined, and the GOC, Madhya Bharat area, he gave his direction against a total of 9 individuals. That various different lapses have emerged against total 9 individuals. So, Your Lordship, what I am trying to get at is that after this court of inquiry happens, now in reference of all these 9 people, separate proceedings will be initiated. And that is why summary of evidence was ordered. First the traditional.
Just a minute, wait for a minute.
So, Your Lordship, once the directions come of the GOC, that is 8 February 2023.
The
That
period of
is-
limitation will start from that.
Yes, Your Lordship, that is what I'm trying to explain on 122(1)(b. That is when the authority competent to initiate action came to the knowledge of the offense.
Right.
So, Your Lordship,
Where are the proceedings of the court of inquiry which were initiated on 21/8/2020?
Your Lordship, whereas Your Lordship, they have been examined
No,
in
no,
the
no, no.
in the.
You say that court of inquiry, this surprise check was made on 29/1/2020.
Yes,
Court of inquiry was started on 21/8/2020.
yes, Your Lordship.
There is lapse of about 7 months' time.
Your Lordship,
Just a minute,
yes.
please. Then you say that for the first time on 8/2/23, Court of Investigation on completion came to know that who are the delinquent persons, right?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Now, what is the documentary evidence in support of this, that the date of discovery of the delinquent officer is 28/2023 and not 21/8/20? Where is the initiative? Where is the document which initiated the inquiry? Because that will
Yes.
prove one thing,
If-
that the inquiry was against certain unknown persons, and that culminated into knowledge in terms of section 122 clause C, because clause C says where it is not known by whom the offense was committed.
Yes,
The first day on which the identity of the offender is known. Now that is the crux of the matter. So we'll have to see that which is the date on which the identity of the offender came to your knowledge.
Your Lordship, if I may submit one thing. Your Lordship, if we are,
There is a direct question. Please give me.
I will.
Please.
Sir,
Give me.
Your Lordship, there is a direction on the issue.
Please show me the order dated 21/8/2020, whereby the court of inquiry started investigation. It started investigation against unknown persons or against certain known persons. That will be the starting point
Yes, Your Lordship.
complete the requirements of section 122 1C.
Your Lordship, I just have one submission. Your Lordship, we have not dwelt in details of the facts for one reason.
No, sorry.
One reason.
No, no.
I will present it if the Honorable Court
I'm asking,
orders.
I'm asking you, you'll have to present it.
Of course, Your Lordship,
Where is
I
it?
will,
Where is
sir,
it?
right now I don't have the.
Bring it.
Yes,
Don't
Your
waste time, bring it.
Yes, Your